Welcome to Dessert Planet. Half cup of water. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 30 grams of butter. Encourages us with subscribe and turning on notifications. Wait for the butter to melt. When the water boils, add flour and vanilla. Half cup of sifted flour. Half teaspoon of vanilla. Turn off the oven. Stir until the mixture turns into dough. Collect the dough and let it cool. One egg. Stir until mixed. Pour the pastry ingredients into the funnel. Fry the pastry ingredients in oil. You can dip the sweets in a mixture of sugar and cinnamon after frying. Thanks for watching.